So guys, in this video you can see that we are having a moisture detection, and this phone is actually, I think it's one of those Mobile phones. So let me just show you the model number, REVVL 6. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how we can fix this. I believe that the phone got wet. As you can see, it's not charging, so I'll show you how we can get around fixing this issue. Yeah, so guys, to open the phone you have to heat the back off, take out the screws, remove this cap. This one was a bit very tight. You can heat it and you can remove it. When you remove that, you will see you have about 3 screws here. One there, one there, one here, another one here. So you need to remove those screws because they are all covered with this covering here for the camera. Then you need to gently take this out, unplug the fingerprint scanner or sensor. You have 2 screws here. So you want to remove the speaker, you want to unplug the battery, then you want to remove the antennas. This is one here, this is another one here. Gently remove the antenna. You want to unplug this cable. Then we're going to remove the charging board. This has never been removed before, so it will be a bit hard to remove. It was not that hard to remove. This is difficult, the position in which it did. Let's see how. Then okay, so let me just connect it and try it and see. You're supposed to see the charging. If that is fixed, then I don't know.